I have here two related packages. I'm gonna unpack them and show you what they're for. First off, let's start with this one. It says Height Housing CR2032. I think that's meant to be white housing. And the reason I know it has to be white housing is because I ordered some white housings, and these are CR2032 battery holders, and these are white with, well, I don't think that's gold, but it looks nice, and they are SMD. And I'm designing a badge. It's for something I do at work, and it's going to look something like this. I just printed it out, and I found a footprint of these in the LCSC database, and I used that on my design, and I want to check whether I actually got the right footprint. So this is a to scale printout of the bottom of the board. This is going to be the top with just two LEDs, and the back is just going to be some passive circuitry flashing those LEDs. But I'm wondering, do I have the right footprint? So let's zoom in a bit and let's see whether this is the correct footprint. Looks to be, yeah, looks to be the same. Nice. These were on AliExpress. So I thought I'd do a Julian Eyelet type of thing by showing the listing on eBay, except I got this from AliExpress. It says IG 20 pieces, white housing CR2032, SMD cell button, battery holder socket case, and it was $1.85, 63 cents shipping to the Netherlands, might change for a different country, and it's from Inspire Gift Store, and I do feel inspired. Now the other package I received is this. It says back bar pins, 3 centimeters. Because I'm designing a badge and I want it to be actually wearable as a badge, I needed some, yeah, what do you call them? Brooch? I don't know how to pronounce that in English. Clips. And thanks to Sion, I was able to find them on AliExpress. And I ordered two sizes. So one is, let's see, 3 centimeters, and the other one is 3.5 centimeters. Oh, stickers. Let's just grab one. So this is the 3.5 centimeter one, and this is the 3 centimeter one. And I'm just wondering what the best size is for them. I'm just planning on exposing some copper pads and just soldering these to it, like other people do make badges. I'm gonna design a footprint, and then I'm just gonna print it out and see which one will fit. I'm gonna start off by using the 3.5 centimeter one. I think that will just be a little bit better. So I have to measure the points between these holes and just make a pad around it. I think that's the best way to do it. So I have to get my calipers. What I'm thinking is I'm just gonna take a pen and color in one of the holes. Actually, I'm just gonna do all three of them. And then, that's not very good to see on camera, but I can see it in real life. And then just measure the distance between them. It says it's 9 millimeters, and the same for that. So I'm going to space the pads out 9 millimeters from each other, or the center of the pads 9 millimeters from each other. So now I'm going to print it out and see if this will line up. So I've printed it out. As you can see, my printer is not quite working correctly anymore. It's working enough to see where the pads are gonna go. Again, this is the battery holder, which fits exactly on there. Maybe a bit hard to see because of the light, but the other one also fits like that. And the big question, is this gonna fit? Yeah, and it does. So it's kind of a trade-off between the strength of the connection between this thing and the pads and the size of the pads, which then makes it more difficult to solder. But I think this will solder and will have some strength to it. So I'm happy with that. Join me next time as I will continue designing this board, and maybe I'll explain a little bit about the circuitry. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.